I tried YouTube Shorts for 30 days and the results were crazy. In this video, I'm going to show you my results from posting YouTube Shorts every day for 30 days. And the rules were simple. I started a new channel and a new niche and posted every single day. The niche I decided to go with was pets niche. But I made a big mistake and I will tell you later in this video about it because I don't want you to repeat it. Unfortunately, I will not able to show you my channel. I transformed it into another channel for an experiment that went horribly wrong. Now I don't have the channel that I worked on for months to show you. I'm really sorry. But fortunately, I have the analytics to show you the result as a proof that it worked. So I posted up to 10 videos a day, but the minimum requirement was to post one video a day. Because I want massive results, so I did a little bit extra. So I posted 10 videos a day, and almost every day one of the video got a boost from the algorithm and it gained more than 1,000 views in 24 hours. Sometimes more than 10,000 views for some videos. And yes, I posted the funny and cute dog and cat videos which come under reuse policy and cannot be monetized. So I recommend you to create an original content to get with the bonus of monetization from shorts, and also use an Amazon associate or some other platform for affiliate marketing and other affiliate programs to make money from day one, but I will tell you about that part in some other video. I will show you the result from I got posting videos every single day for 30 days, but the results were so crazy I kept going. I did it for 60 days. I have to tell you, I gained over 1,000 subscribers within 2 months and almost 500,000 views from it within the first month. In the second month, I got almost 1 million views from all of the shorts I uploaded on YouTube. So the mistake I made that I used reuse content. So I recommend you to go with your original content in your niche with affiliate marketing so you can monetize your channel from day one and also get AdSense revenue so you can make full-time income with it. And I know the results were not out of this world, but it shows how much potential YouTube Shorts have. And now YouTube is building the bridge between shorts and long-form content, and the golden days ahead. So start making short because it's a free path to rapid success on YouTube. And a piece of advice that I want to give you is that post a video every day, whether it's shorts or a long video, because the algorithm will appreciate the consistency and you will be getting results within 90 days if you will be continue on this. And if you're posting shorts for every day, make sure to focus on these things. First, get a nice retention on the video. Divide your video into 3 segments. The first is the intro, showing what will people get from watching the video in the first 3 seconds, and it should be like a little bit clickbaity to hold the viewers. The middle part will be the actual content you're going to show with lots of cuts and a good music background plus animation. It will be good. And the third part will be call to action for like subscribe and like this video. And if you did this and make sure to and make your viewers watch the full video, it's likely to get recommended and you will be getting thousands of views within days. And I know because I have gained over 1,000 subscribers and 1 million views within 2 months from YouTube Shorts in a brand new channel within a new niche, and I recommend you to do the same. So take care, goodbye, see ya.